Welcome back to another week of dinners. So I'm making tacos because it's Taco Tuesday today, and I have some ground turkey that I have in there, and then I'm going to use a can of this green chilies, and I'm gonna put the juice and everything inside of there. So just gonna mix it in there really quick. And then I found this, I went to the market today because I didn't want to fry any shells today. I just wanted to buy shells, and I seen this Taco Bell Crunchy Taco dinner kit. It comes with the sauce and taco seasoning. So I haven't even looked at everything yet, so we'll look at it together. So it comes with an original taco seasoning mix package. That's pretty cool. And ooh, my family loves the mild sauce from Taco Bell. So it comes with this big Taco Bell sauce, and then the taco shells. Only a little piece broken, so not bad. So that's pretty cool. And it was $2.99, so that's not bad at all. Dinner's plated up, and it's just the tacos, and I cut up some watermelon. We haven't had watermelon in a while. And then I think this is pretty cool that we have the mild sauce, and then whoever wants some sour cream, and this one is mine. It's gonna be lettuce tacos again with some watermelon, and that is our dinner for Taco Tuesday. Today is Wednesday, and we're gonna have taco salad. Even though we had tacos yesterday, we haven't had this in a while, so I wanted to make it. So I have some ground turkey here that I have been cooking. It's already ready for the taco seasoning. So I'm just gonna put some tacos mix in here, like seasoning mix. I just want to say all those dishes right there are actually clean. They just need to be put away. So here's everything I'm using for the taco salad. So I have my plate here. So I'm gonna start with, of course, the lettuce first. I know it doesn't look the greatest, but trust me, it tastes really good. I do want to make some kind of sour cream dressing one day, so I'm gonna try that. I would love like a sour cream chipotle dressing. That would be so good on this. That's our dinner. We're having a taco salad for Wednesday night. Today is Thursday, and I'm gonna make spaghetti, but I'm gonna do something different. I am going to make a Pioneer Woman recipe. It's called pepperoni chicken. So I'm going to show you guys right now like what I'm doing, and then I'll show you guys the recipe like in her cookbook. Here's the recipe that I'm using from the Pioneer Woman book, and it's the pepperoni chicken. She's doing 2 servings, so I'm going ahead and like adding a little bit more. So the first thing I did was here, I cut the chicken. This is the chicken I cut. These were like 3 thick slices that I just halved and put some salt and pepper on it. I have 2 skillets because I'm not going to be able to fit it in one, and I kind of wanted to hurry up and make it. So in these skillets, I have 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 2 tablespoons of butter. So I'm going to let that melt, and then it says to go ahead and put the chicken in there. And while that's melting, I went ahead and I'm making some spaghetti sauce, marinara sauce. So I have a big can. Let me see, what is this? It's a 1-pound can of tomato sauce, and then, you know, one of the small 8 ounces, and I have some diced tomatoes. And in my spaghetti sauce, if you guys are regulars, you guys know what I put in it. I put an Italian seasoning, sugar, garlic powder, and some pepper flakes. It's really simple. I'm gonna use these noodles today. These are the Veggie Garden Delight. It's carrots, tomato, and spinach pasta. And the last time we tried this, honestly, I feel like there's no difference, and it tastes almost exactly like regular noodles. I wanted to show you guys these tips that she says, which is pretty cool. You're probably gonna hear the vacuum, the kids are vacuuming. It says to change things up, you could make it into a pepperoni chicken sandwich with ciabatta bun, or you can serve with mashed potatoes. I didn't think about that. I think I'm gonna try it one day with mashed potatoes and see how that all goes together. So the chicken is nice and like a nice color. So it says to take it off the pan. So I'm gonna take these off the pan. I already been trying the chicken. Every time I cook, I try everything. Okay, so it says to put some of the sauce. Oh, I forgot to wear an apron. I'm gonna get splashed again. So I want to put some of the sauce in there. Not all of it, because I wanted to put some with the spaghetti. I like to have saucy spaghetti. Okay, and then it says to go ahead and put it back in. The sauce is already hot because I've been boiling it. So I'm just gonna put the chicken back in here. And then I'm going to add the pepperoni. And I'm just gonna put it on here. So the pepperoni's on there. So now I'm gonna put some mozzarella cheese. It actually called for sliced cheese, but I failed at that. I forgot to read exactly. I just read mozzarella, so I bought this. But I think it's gonna be okay. So I'm gonna put that on top. So I'm gonna put a good amount of cheese on it. I wanna put a lot. I want a lot of cheese on here. Now that it's like that, I'm gonna get the cover. It says to cover it until it's melted. So I'm gonna cover that until it's melted. And I already, you guys, oh my gosh. She's too funny. She makes me laugh. And then I got my spaghetti right here. This is like the color of the spaghetti because it has carrots in it. But I'm telling you guys, I mean, everybody's different, but to me and my family, it tastes the same as, you know, regular ones. I want to let you guys know that this recipe, by all means, is not figure friendly, but I think if it's good, I think it's totally worth it.
I agree.
My daughter always agrees. As long as everything's good and tastes good, they don't care. So here's our Spaghetti Thursday. It is the Pioneer Woman's pepperoni chicken, and I'm gonna put the recipe down in the description box so if anybody wants to try it. So this is our dinner for Thursday night. Today is Friday and it's a lazy day again. I've been doing stuff all day, so I just didn't cook. So I just have some cheese pizzas again, so I got 2 of them, and then I made a salad, a fruit salad with a bunch of fruit. So the only thing I don't have is honeydew. Couldn't find a good one. So I just have some grapes, some cantaloupe, watermelon, strawberries, and some pineapple. So this is our dinner for Friday night. Today is Saturday and it's Brian's birthday, so he wanted me to make a salsa, which I'm gonna make after. I wanted to try this one. This is from Miranda, a channel that I watch. Her name is Miranda PMV. She's really sweet. She has a lot of good hauls. And I wanted to try her, it's like a guacamole jalapeno salsa. I've tasted this type of salsa before, but I've never made it. And she made it look just so simple. And I guess I never thought to try it thinking it was hard. So it's just a bunch of cilantro. I don't know if she put lime. I'm not sure yet. I gotta watch more of that. And some avocado. And I'm gonna start with 3 jalapenos first, only because You know, I don't want it to be too spicy for the kids, and as I go, I'll add more. I ended up adding 3 avocados and 2 jalapenos because they were big jalapenos, and I'm afraid it's gonna be too spicy for the kids. And I want it to be a little more like avocado-y, and then I don't know if I put way too much cilantro. I do like a lot of cilantro in the stuff I make. And I went ahead and put some water like she said, and then I'm gonna put some salt. And I'm just gonna add a little bit because I don't want it to be too salty. So Miranda, if you're watching, I hope I'm making it right. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend it up, and we'll see how it tastes and how it looks. So I made it, and my daughter, she says that she likes it. She said it tastes good. I added a little bit more lemon juice, and I added a little bit of garlic powder. So this is the other chili that I'm making. I will put the name of the chili up, and then I'll put the name of like each chili because I can't even pronounce it. So I have these chilies that I just toasted. So I might toast it a little too much. It makes you cough when you cook that in the house. I have all the doors and the windows open. So that's already done toasting. And then I have a pound of tomatillos that I peeled and rinsed. And now I'm just going to boil them. The chilies down here, the tomatillos with some of the sauce, 2 garlic cloves, and some cilantro. So I'm gonna mix that. This salsa smells good. It's really good. I actually got this from a YouTuber. Their name is Abuelita's Kitchen. Now let me show you guys right here. Abuelita's Kitchen. I have been making this for quite a bit now. It's one of my family's favorite salsas. So I just wanted to give credit, you know, to where these 2 salsas came from. So I have some chopped up avocado and green onion and some lemon and some salt. I added everything in. You can see some green onion and some avocado in there. My husband likes this like over carne asada and eggs in the morning. I'm attempting to make some German chocolate cake. I've never made it homemade. I've always bought like box cake. So if this cake comes out good, I will go ahead and like link it down below. I wanted to show you guys my progress. It is such a mess in here. I'm a messy cook. I'm making buttercream chocolate frosting for the first time. This cake looks like it came out good already. And this is my first time ever making coconut pecan frosting. But I will say that the cake did come out good. Every time I make homemade cake, it never comes out right. This is the first time, so this recipe for chocolate cake was Pinterest winner for sure. It says it's like the best German chocolate cake, so that's why I picked that one. This is a coconut pecan frosting, and that came out good. Also, I tasted it before I put on, and the frosting. So happy I found this Pinterest recipe. So here's the food. I made some Mexican rice with some sweet corn. I like it with the sweet corn. I have some marinated chicken here, the carne asada, and these are little riblets that we put teriyaki sauce on. I have the tortillas, and here is the like guacamole, like salsa, and the other salsa. So this is dinner for Brian's birthday.
Happy birthday, dear Dad. You're old.
Yep.
Today is Monday. I forgot to film what we did yesterday. Yesterday we went to Shakey's. My husband's friend was down from Texas, so I just didn't, you know, film like when we ate. When it comes to us, like the family of 5, it gets expensive to eat out. So I like to choose things that are, you know, a little bit more cheaper or more affordable. So this meal right here was $25. It's 14 pieces of chicken. It's 2 mashed potatoes, 2 gravies, and some broccoli with a bunch of flour tortillas. And this sauce right here, my kids love it. That's why we get so many, because they will devour that whole thing tonight. This is El Pollo Loco. So this is going to be our dinner for Monday night. I know it was a short week. I had a really busy week this week. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.
Bye.